try to unboxing Brompton T-Line today. It's been really so there is direction of this light. It's very light. Inside here we got the pedal, we got this saddle, and then pedal, light and direction, T-line. This box is useful when you do the traveling. Okay, now, wow, very light. With my left hand, can do that. You see? And then let us check. I'm going to get. Right.
Oh, handle terus ini ada handle. Kayaknya ada sih. Oh, tinggal bakar kan.
A little bit different because made by metal. Now the grip here. Okay, and then you see here. Oh, this one has to go on the other side. Put it like this. You see, like this is like a bone, and this C-hook from plastic. So the connection is very soft. You see? Okay. And then this pedal is a quick release, yeah? Is it? Yeah, quick release. And then there's a warranty here, plus 5 years. This is how to unfold and this is how to fold. And then the clamp here, quick release. And what else? This one, like there is a grip for this over here. And then this small wheel. And then 6 speed. External 3 speed. So 6 speed, 3 speed. This is 3 speed, 4 12 phase, 4 speed. Yeah, okay. Let's see what else. With the orange color. And then I choose this one. Easier for long distance. This one made from spong. Very tough and better action. Okay, this is standard weight. It's actually 8.63 together with the saddle. And then oh, ini belum taruh ya. Put another pedal. Okay, not much different. 8.6 together with all the complete pedal and then the saddle, and still lack of this block. Yeah. So the weight of T-line, Brompton T-line is 8.6 with a complete saddle and pedal. but not including this block, front block. This is to place this unused pedal. It is actually quick release here, on in here. Okay, I'll change this to Boira, so, and then change the inner tire. Now 887. Now after everything is in place, including the blocks, the pedal, saddle change, now it's become 8.99, almost 9 kilogram. So compared to the previous, it's 12 kg.